Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the Roblox chat lock issue and verify your age. So if your chat is blocked, you can't type anything, or you think you're banned, just follow along step by step and you'll get it working again. Alright, let's dive in. So first, open Roblox on your device. Now if your chat is locked, you'll see a little lock icon below the chat box. Go ahead and tap or click on that. This opens the new Roblox age verification screen. If your chat isn't blocked yet, don't worry. This update is rolling out for everyone. You'll still want to verify your age manually before Roblox forces it. To do that, click the three dots menu on the left, then go to Settings, then Account Info. Under your birthday, you'll see an option that says Check your age to get more features. Tap Continue to start. Now Roblox gives you two ways to verify. You can use your computer webcam, but I recommend choosing Continue on another device. This will show you a QR code. Just scan it with your phone. It makes everything much easier. Once you scan the code, your phone will open the verification page. Tap Continue, then tap Continue again. When your phone asks for camera access, make sure you hit Allow. Now the camera will load and you'll see instructions. Move your face slowly to the left, then look at the camera, then move your face to the right and look at the camera again. After a few seconds, the AI will estimate your age. It might say something like 21 or older, or whatever applies to you. When you see the result, tap OK. And that's it. Your verification is complete. Your chat should unlock right away, but if it doesn't, just log out and log back in. One quick note, if the AI thinks you're under 9 years old, your chat may stay restricted until a parent approves it, so keep that in mind. Now, a lot of people ask, is this safe? I don't want Roblox to have my face. According to Roblox, your face scan is not stored. It's processed by a company called Persona, used only to estimate your age and then deleted. They're using this system to separate adults and kids to make chats safer, not to store your identity. And that's it. You've successfully verified your age and unlocked Roblox chat again. If this tutorial helped, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and if you run into any errors, drop a comment below and I'll help you out.